Hi, I want to welcome you to ACP Paint Protection. My name is Amir. I'm the owner here. We are paint protection specialists. We are one of the largest XPEL dealers in New England. What is PPF? PPF is an acronym for Paint Protection Film. Paint Protection Film is a clear urethane film that can be installed on your vehicle's painted surfaces. It protects you against rocks, bugs, bird droppings, acid rain, or any other environmental issue that will damage your vehicle's finish. Our brand of choice, XPEL, consists of 3 layers: a glue layer, a urethane layer, and a self-healing top-coated layer. People ask, why should you get PPF? You should get PPF because there's nothing on the market that is as effective or durable when it comes to protecting your vehicle's finish. How much film should I buy? Honestly, there's no right or wrong answer. You'll have to answer a few questions, like how long do you intend on keeping the car? Did you buy the car? Did you lease it? Is it an everyday driver? Do you track the car? No matter how or what you answer to those questions, we have a paint protection package that's right for you. And the best part is, no matter how much film you buy or what coating you put on your car, you will increase your vehicle's resale value and protect your investment. We carry multiple types of PPF. We carry satin black, gloss carbon fiber, XPEL Ultimate Plus, and XPEL Stealth. XPEL Ultimate Plus has a high gloss finish, and XPEL Stealth has a matte finish. If your vehicle's got a gloss finish, we wrap it in XPEL Ultimate Plus. If your vehicle has a matte finish, or you would like your gloss car to have a matte finish, we use XPEL Stealth. People ask, why should I pick you? Why should I bring my car to your shop? Quite frankly, you should pick us because this is all we do. This is all we've ever done. Between my installers and myself, we have 50+ years of experience in this field. We've taken all of those experiences and put them into the design of this shop and the quality of installation your car will receive.